I don't care how proud he is. There's no way a great fighter should have to go through 3 more minutes of this.
No, because Pacquiao is not backing off. If you had a guy that was...
He's getting hurt. Here comes Ferreira's corner. Ferreira's corner, man, is up on the apron. He's going to step into the ring. That's a good decision. Finally. They could have done that 2 rounds ago. And he's doing it against a southpaw after not having fought one for years. The speed and skill of Manny Pacquiao is amazing to behold. A southpaw Jack Dempsey in the lightweight division. A non-stop aggressor with speed and power beyond compare. How many more? Down he goes, and Dracula stops the fight.
Should have never got to that.
Fight. Perfect right hand by Pacquiao.
Right hook.
Stuns Velasquez. Pacquiao trying to finish it. Got 40 seconds to get it done. One of the most vicious finishers in the sport. Velasquez in big trouble now. Trying to hold on. The increasing accuracy of Pacquiao's shots making a difference, and Velasquez goes to his knee as the round comes to a close. They're saying he did so before the bell, so it is a knockdown. Punches in the second, and now Morales can last long against this.
Well, until he goes out, he's going to be fighting all the way down. He's not going to back up.
What guts by Morales! He strafes Pacquiao with right hands, even while on unsteady feet.
And he is hurt.
And he holds on. And the brave heart of Morales holds up, but his legs go again. Third knockdown of the fight by Pacquiao against Morales.
He doesn't want to get up.
Morales shakes his head as if to say, I want no only thing that's keeping Weeks from stopping it. Manny Pacquiao is annihilating Oscar De La Hoya. Tony Weeks has a tough decision in front of him. There's a lot of glory and a lot of money in Oscar De La Hoya's past, but he's getting beaten up here.
One more round, or is that it? Is that it?
Right now, you're here. The corner is wanting to stop the fight.
Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Let's finish it. That's it. Let's go.
Right his hands in the first fight. Tried to drive Pacquiao back with right hand there, but Manny comes back. Pacquiao, and of course you have ardent, spirited Filipino and Filipino-American rooters for Pacquiao.
What's interesting,
Morales, sweeping right hand, partially blocked. Now Pacquiao lands a right and a left. And another right hook. And a left hand over the top.
even though Morales is landing, he seems to be still uncoordinated as compared to...
Down goes Morales.
Margarito's saying that Pacquiao's not hurting him. His face is telling a different story.
Indeed. And Pacquiao's beginning to land with almost every punch. He's beating Margarito up in this round. There's a huge left under Margarito's right eye. He's backing Margarito up, and he's hurting him. And Margarito can say all he wants that Pacquiao can't hurt him, but that's not true. Greatest offensive fighter of the era. Pacquiao has his unanimous...
And we've seen him take...
Well, you know, he's got a guy that's not just saying that Cotto can beat him physically handling, but that's Cotto's style anyway, is to be a bully. Some guys are bigger, but they're not known for being physical.
He may have gone to the ropes to let Cotto throw, thinking he could counter him with something big. Now it's Cotto whose back is against the rope, and he fights his way off and goes down again. Cotto landed a big left-hand shot, and then Pacquiao punished a straight left hand, and he landed it right on Hatton's chin. And down goes Hatton after he swings and misses with a left hook. And that's a knockdown for Manny Pacquiao. Another perfect right hand for Pacquiao. Another right hook. Straight left hand. Pacquiao's landing at will. Hard left hand. Hatton has to hold on. Will Hatton make it out of the round? He's down for the second time. This is the brilliance of the Filipino slugger. Straight left hook. And will Hatton make it up from this?
Can he beat the count?
Is that it? And Kenny Ramos says, no way. That is that. What an amazing knockout shot. That is the most spectacular one-punch shot of Manny Pacquiao's incredible career.
He's still fighting though. Big guts.
Pacquiao in control.
Big guts. Huge guts. And I hope the referee don't jump in too soon and let Pacquiao finish him at least, because if he doesn't, beautiful. straight left hand by Manny Pacquiao. Right down the pipe off of Chris Algieri's jab, and down Chris Algieri goes.
Jim, I sort of disagree with
that. It doesn't take much, but you see the hesitation from Matisse. Got clipped on the temple. He seemed to take a knee. I'm kind of confused. It wasn't a shot.
Stop standing in front. You're right in front of Pacquiao. He wants movement. He's not getting it. And he gets right back to work and does so with a combination. And there's that. Of what he's always shown us, and has scored 2 knockdowns up. Pacquiao trying to get under that guard there and place the body shot moments ago as Matisse comes forward again. He's been a long-time presence in the camp of Manny Pacquiao, the quarterman of strength man, former heavyweight. Pacquiao. Exactly.
I want to see it. I want to see that if I can.
Uppercut again, and he puts him down again. Pacquiao floors on the 3rd.
Again, Broner has to have the courage to get it off. He's in another left hand. Broner looking for the single leg. And he's also just getting off.
Yep.
He's controlling the round. I think it was a balance.
Yeah, it looked a little off balance, but back Broner to the ropes. 30 seconds left in